Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011
Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, equalizer, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.